Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new project share video. So today I'm gonna give you a walkthrough of my newest album. This is a large album. This measures 9 by 10 and I am using the Playtime paper collection by Mintai, and it's an absolutely beautiful collection. I love it so much, and this is one of my class kits. So if you're interested on purchasing the kit, I will have that link down below. It will be listed on my website, and also I will have the video class only option available for you to check that out if you're interested. In this kit you receive the 12 by 12 paper collection, the little ephemera pieces, and also you have some seam binding. Also you get these monthly stickers. So the idea for this book was to create a month-to-month book. This could be for a baby or for any age if you just want to do like a year in the life, but I actually didn't add the monthly labels because I don't think I will be using it as a month-to-month, but I think this would be a really cute idea if you use it as a baby's first birthday. And I do have one signature page for each month, or one page layout I guess for each one of the months. So if you hear screaming, girls are playing volleyball on the back, so I apologize for that. And here's second distraction over here. On the cover here we have some of the ephemera elements that came as part of the kit, and let me just give you a close-up because all of these are movable pieces, and I think these are just so fun to play with. If you are making this for little kids, they can actually be part of the fun and move the little pieces as they look at their pictures, and I just had a tons of fun playing with this collection. So when we open this book here, you will see all the signature pages on this side. I wanted this book to have a deconstructed feel to it, so the pages are not all the same size, they're actually all different. We have half pages, but in total you have 6 signature pages, which means you have 12 pages, so you can use the book for a year in review. On this very first page, this opens up like this, and we have this large platform page here, so we have places for 2 pictures, some of the cute little animals here, and then over here these 2 sides you have room for pictures there as well, and then these 2 expand just to reveal more of the beautiful images right there. And you can also add these backgrounds to add pictures there. And these 2 layouts also open up, so you have quite a lot of picture spaces here, so you can put a small little, maybe a 3 by 5, or you can do 3 by 3s and then just do a couple of those, and then these all close back like that, and then this whole thing closes. So that is the first page, and then here on the back, these again, the beautiful layout. I just absolutely love the paper, is so pretty. So you will see a lot of complementary pink and green cardstock for the places where you will add the pictures, and then whatever else I just wanted to decorate with the paper. So over here we have 2 half pages, and then this page here opens to the side, so it's a sliding page, and then we have over here a pocket with 2 4x3 booklets, so these both open up, and so you have a couple places for pictures here, and then you can of course add 4x6 photo mats on that pocket if you wanted to, and then here you can add a little journaling, or you can add the monthly label, and you could also add a picture on this side there. For the back of this page we have a 4x3 little booklet. This was actually added as I was decorating the book, just a simple 4x3, and then added a magnet in there, and then this opens up, so here you have room for 4x6 pictures, but also you can use smaller pictures if you wanted to, and then just kind of journal there on this side as well. This other half page opens up like that, and then places for pictures, and then this is a little accordion foldable page, so you can add pictures here. I left this purposely plain so I can just add pictures and not add more bulk to this page. And then here on the back we have two little booklets, and so this is actually a pocket, and then so you can just add some pictures there. Same thing here, we have another pocket with another little booklet, and then you can just go ahead and put these on the belly bands, or you can add large 4x6 photo mats and just go all the way through if you wanted to have larger pictures there. And then on this next page, again, I wanted to have large pages to display the beautiful paper. It's just so dreamy and so magical. This opens up like this, and then you have a large place for a picture. Some of this is from the back of the cover. You have that bonus sheet of cut apart, so we do have the ephemera that comes already cut for you, but then you also have this bonus sheets, and that's what I use. I cut some of these to add more little elements on some of the blank pages, and I think that looks really cute. And then of course a picture will go on the front. Over here we have a gatefold page, so this opens up like that and like this. So again, you would put pictures on the sides, like small ones like that, and then you can add a large picture or two more small pictures on the side there as well. And this is actually a sliding page layout, so you pull down this tab and then these ones all open up, so you do have full size places for pictures. This measures 7 by 6.5, so it's quite a full page there as well. So again, you can do some small pictures or one large one there as well, and then you can use more of the cut parts and just add throughout. So I didn't want to put more here because I don't know if we're gonna put like a large picture or smaller ones. And then of course this continues to pull down, so each one of those is a page. And then on the bottom here I have the beautiful design paper just to add a little bit of color there as well. But I really love the combination of the pink and the green cardstock where we're gonna be adding the pictures. So that is that page. Now we move on to the next one, or the back of this page. And over here we have a pocket, and I wanted this to kind of look like a little Polaroid picture. So you put a picture here and some journaling, or you can keep that and then also just add pictures on the inside only. And then this goes on the pocket. And then this here is an elevator page, so you just push this up, and I have my plants here, so let's see if I can pull this up all the way. And then over here we have these little booklets, so they open up like that, they open up here like that, and they have magnets. And then again you can add more of these pictures. I just like the little colorful stripe paper there. And then these all comes down and it magnetizes back in place. So as you can see, the pages are different sizes, so I just love the layering, that how you can see it, so you can kind of pick a little bit of what's coming next. So on this page here, this I have the little bunny. This opens up. I know I have design paper here, but you can definitely also add pictures here as well. And then of course you can put them monthly. I'm sorry if you hear all this background noise. It is Sunday when I'm recording this video. The girls are playing volleyball here in the backyard and you can hear everything, so I do apologize if you hear that, but hopefully they're happy sounds. And this opens up like that, and then you can do some journaling, some pictures. This is a 3D page for place for a picture, so this opens down, and then just a little decoration here with the ephemera, and mainly places for pictures. I just put the solid cardstock, some of the stripe paper there as well. And then on this back page, more of the 4x3 cards. These two open to the side, so you can put pictures there. And then this opens up, and then this opens to the side, more places for pictures. And then this also opens down. And then down here, I did the same thing I did on the front with the design paper and just some of the ephemera. And then this closes and closes and all closes and down. And then we are on the last signature page. So again, the beautiful design paper. I love the carousel page with the balloons. It's just so cute and happy. This opens up. And so back here, some of the ephemera. I have the carousel, large place for a picture, some of the little leftover pieces to add some color. And then over here, I just use all the ephemera to decorate a blank page. But again, large picture there. This is left open. And then this can open to the side. And over here you can journal, you can add again more pictures there. We have a pocket, so this comes out. You can put more photo mats in there, but again I wanted to do a place for a picture and place for journaling. And then this opens up like that, so this will fit exactly 4x6 pictures, so I didn't put anything on the inside. And then same thing here, this little guy is left open, so you can slide the picture on the back. And then this opens down here again, so again more places for pictures, and I left this blank to not add more bulk onto this page. Then this opens up like that. Again, we have the little ephemera on the sides, and then this page is the same, so it opens up like this. We have the 4x6, so I did some coordination with the green and the pink, so the other one is pink, this one is more on the green. And then this again opens down. I just added some of the color here, but if you want to put a large picture, you can just do one solid piece of cardstock. And then this opens down, and more of the cute little ephemera and places for pictures. And then this closes, and then this opens up here. And at the center we have the happy sun, so cute. And then again, just a beautiful 4x3 little cut apart places for journaling. And then this opens up, so you can add 2 pictures there, 2 4x6. And then this closes, and then even on the back here you could do small little collage pictures everywhere there. And this all closes up. And now we move on to the last page here. So on the inside back cover, just a display of the beautiful paper there. And then over here, this opens to the side. So these are, again, I use all the 4x3 pictures because I didn't want anyone to go to waste. They're so beautiful, so I incorporated them into the design, as you can see, as much as I could. And then this opens up like that, so just a little one here, but then we can add a picture there. You can add pictures here too. And then this just simply opens to the side. So again, this is, oh, I didn't leave this open, but place for pictures on the side. And then here you can add a picture on the top. This opens here again, so places for large pictures. I have a lot of like 5x7 portrait pictures that I took of my girls when they were little, so this book will be perfect to add all of those. That's why I wanted to make this very large. Also, if you have 8x10 pictures, they will also fit in some of the large places. Here we have a large pocket, so I did 2 photo mats. These are 5x7s, just decorated with some of the ephemera, so just showing you so you can decorate at the end, because I did this separate from the video, so you can basically get an idea how to put some photo mats and add the ephemera to add a little bit of the colors. But of course you can simply do a photo mat with a picture, and that should be good to put on your pockets as well. And so these go here like that, and then this could actually fit a really large picture. So this can actually be this page is 9 3/4 by 7.5, so you can put a maybe like a 9x7 picture here as well. And then on the pocket, I just decorated with some of the scrap pieces, some of the ephemera. And that is the last page. So quite a large book, really fun to create, really interactive. It did take me a while, probably one of the longest that I've been working on. I just had tons of fun, and it's kind of hard to stop when you are having a lot of fun creating a book like this. You just want to add more elements and more little details. So I really hope that you guys enjoy the walkthrough. I hope that you like how this turned out. And so that is the walkthrough of the Playtime large and mini album. This is a collection by Mintai. Again, you can find the kits and classes on my website, or you can have access to the video class only as well. Everything will be linked below. And I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend. Happy Sunday, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.